Let's discuss how to code expert advisors in MQL4 and MQL5. I will give you some practical tips on how to code MQL, expert advisors in MQL4 and MQL5. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, I had coded a Telegram MT4 EA and a Telegram MT5 EA. So I post my signal on my Telegram channel and it automatically copies on 1020 MP4 MP5 accounts. So let me show you the Telegram channel. So this is the Telegram channel. And as you can see, I posted this buy limit $1 light finance on this light finance account, and it opened that order, that delete order light finance. So it literally told me that this is a very easy method. Instead of individually opening the trades on each account, I just tell that sometimes it's all account, sometimes on a certain broker. Buy limit $1. 240 means H4. 1 means first bar. 0 is always the current bar. 9 means 9 pips above the below the low of the first bar. 3 is the magic number. 2 is the risk, and this is the broker name. So we'll see. If you open the here, then informs me that it has opened. Live finance order open, instant trader order open, live finance. This is the sell limit order. This is the sell limit order, and this is the buy order. Instant trader buy. It made life very convenient now for me. I don't have to sit in front of the computer all the time. I just have the mobile phone in my hand. I can go anywhere. I can go to the market. I can go to the sports ground. I can go anywhere. And from the mobile phone, once I uh, see that there's a signal, I post it on the Telegram, and that this signal get copied on multiple accounts, and I get this confirmation like this. Now let's go and see. I'll give you some practical tips. So this is the code for MT4, and MT5 is almost similar, but MT5 programming is a little bit different now. So you have to make some changes, but the logic is the same. So first is that using the Web Connect. Is the web request. Web request get this HTTPS API, the Telegram. This is how I connect the Telegram. This is very important. And then you have to have your token, Telegram channel token, so that it connects with your Telegram channel. So this is the chat ID. So the chat ID is used to once that EA tells me that it has opened that trade or has closed that trade. If there's some error in the state of opening. So if you see, if you use enter here, so it will give you wrong result. So after testing for a few hours, then I realized that I have to use this ulong, unsigned long. Unsigned long is a much bigger number than the integer number. So this is basically all dependent on web request, and once you close the MT4, so it will again try to copy that signal. So here, before you close this thing, I have made an update id.text file. It writes the last signal ID here. Now, the most challenge is that once he opens the trade, it is the price is correct. How do you ensure that the price is correct? So this is the statement that makes sure that the price is correct. Place pending order. And this is the series info integer. It checks it while symbol convert period, series, bars, count is less than bar, sleep, 5,000 milliseconds means that it's 5 seconds. Then again checks that it has downloaded the data. So this way you make sure that the data is downloaded. In the beginning I had some problems because I found out that the data sometimes is not correct. So before the EA opens the trade, make sure that all the price chart symbol is correct, and after that no problem. So this is very important because if you will see sometimes it will open trade at a wrong time. So the most probable reason is that your price is not correct, your data is not correct. So this while statement makes sure that your chart is up to date. For that, first I convert that chart to the chart set symbol period. Another thing that is very important and that gave me some headache was this string test is a string instructed like finance. First I use this math is valid number. So math is valid number in test always true. Why? Because math this int will always convert this string into which is not number zero. So if you test it, print double test is zero is equal to zero, you see it is always with true. So sometimes you want to check whether this you have a string or a real number. So for that, then I use this test. Once you will start creating, then you see the problem will arise. So yes, if risk is equal to zero return, don't open that way. So why I do it because where I post signals on the Telegram. Sometimes that we can confuse the broker name with risk, and if you use this implicit conversion MQL4, then that obviously all strings will get converted to zero. First, I had used this back in the valid number, but then I now another thing that I'm not trying working on is how to connect this Django that I show you. Uh, but I'm doing on that thing. So these are the problems that you'll face. Most of the problems will be very subtle. For example, I use the period. So in the beginning, I use period 240, 60, but it will give sometimes wrong results. So I then converted this period to enough. Yeah, enough time frames converted in period. So this is how it is. So, it took me, let's say, like mm, 3 months to tell you the truth. First, I made this fabric work. I had first thought that it will not work, but I made it work. Then I started building up the functions, making improvements, making the signals. The beauty of this EA is that you don't have to enter any price. Just have to tell the EA the chart period and the bar number. In MQL4 and MQL5, 0 is the current bar and 1, 2, 3, 4, then it goes backward. Tell it to second bar, low, high, it does everything for you. So now it has made everything very easy for me, and I can open trades on 5, 6 pounds immediately with my Telegram. Not have to sit on my computer. Of course, these MP4 and MP5 accounts have to run on that VPS virtual private server. So I'm planning to build my own virtual private server to be far cheaper in my office myself. So I'll tell you how I do. I hope you like this video.